How to log in into TurboTax account. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. To log in into your TurboTax account, launch your preferred browser in your device. In the search bar, search for TurboTax Login. Select the first option, that is TurboTax Login. Now in here, you will have to enter your credential to sign in to your account, for which you can enter your phone number, email, or your user ID. Then just tap on the sign in bubble to sign in to your account. You can also use your Intuit account to sign in to your account. Now in here, it will give you a thorough instruction to how to actually log into your account using your Intuit account information. You can read out thoroughly and log in into your TurboTax account. If you are new to Intuit and you want to create an account, select Create an Account option. By tapping on it, you will have to enter some of the details, for which you will have to enter email address, your user ID, your password, and your phone number. Don't forget to use a country code. Then tap on Create Account. This is the first step of very other steps for your verification process. However, if you already have an account and if you have forgotten your credential, select I forgot my user ID and password. In that case, you can enter any of the phone number, email address, or user ID. It will send you a login code. If not, select Try Something New, in which you will have to enter your last name, your DOB, your social security number, and your zip code. Then tap on Continue. And that is how you can easily recover your account if you have forgotten any of the credential. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Make sure to hit a like and subscribe to us.